It's Nigeria's 61st independence anniversary. In Rivers State, the celebration is low-key as it's coming at a time the country is grappling with several social, economic and security challenges.
After 61 years of independence and 22 years of unbroken democracy, it only seems there's not much to be excited about Nigeria, except our national sense of independence and unity that have endured this long in the face of sustained fratricidal assaults to its existence.
Governor Wike says the country has derailed from the vision of its founding leaders who sought to build a united, peaceful and prosperous nation that will lead the continent.
The federal government claims to be fighting corruption, but public corruption has amplified out of control before their very eyes, while bigotry, hypocrisy, abuse and misuse of public office and power, and the manipulation or politicization of everything, including ethnicity, is now the hallmark of governance at the center, so much so that Nigeria is more divided today than ever.
Governor Wike notes that the last 6 years have been some of the worst in the 61-year history of the country.
Our economy has been in tatters and gasping without any realistic hopes for meaningful recovery in the nearest future, as high inflation rates and massive unemployment continue to push more and more people into dehumanizing misery and abject poverty. Unable to mobilize sufficient domestic revenues, Nigeria is now one of the most indebted countries in the world, yet the federal government's appetite for more loans remains high, even as we are approaching in the twilight of this tenure. The effect of this is to mortgage the progress and well-being of future generations of Nigerians with billions of debts burdened in hard currencies.
He says the country's democracy is also being weakened by the growing culture of impunity and continuous violation of the Constitution by the federal government. And as Nigeria marks another anniversary, Governor Wike wants the people to reflect on the state of the country and the direction it's wrongly headed and intensify their efforts to rescue Nigeria before it becomes too late.
What is needed is the courage and commitment of our leaders and everyone to find sustainable solutions to these challenges and lay the groundwork for a new peaceful, united and prosperous Nigeria through national dialogue and on the basis of justice, equity and accommodation.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.